During this front fork unwrapping is when I actually hurt my back. Good morning. Front forks already, but I'm not. My back is still bothering me to the point of where I can't even fix my hair. And I'm still walking with a lean. Got my coffee. Leaning back even hurts. Oh, and I really hurt sitting down. So it's not looking too promising today. The bike, they actually got spark, and before I took it to them, I took the carburetor apart, so they just add fuel, and they told me it started up, so that's good. Cheers to that. I shouldn't be sitting for too long. Could either stay moving or lie down. I was supposed to go and push the bike back, and I don't think that's gonna happen. The bike's not that heavy, but for this aching back, it might be too much. I might have to put it off for this whole week, and I'm gonna eat my way to recovery. I mean, what else can I do when you're hurt? All right, I managed to put it on slowly. Now let me grab this heavy front wheel like magic. Or how do they do that? Poof. Something like that. It's on. Let's throw the fender on. It's not on yet.